Hey guys, Jonah August here. I am inside my car because it is freezing outside and I'm about to brave it, but I didn't want to film this outside because it's super windy. You wouldn't be able to hear me clear, but today it's finally sunny. I'm stoked about that. The temperatures are freezing, whatever. I'm gonna go out there anyways, try to brave this for however long it takes. Hopefully I'm only out for an hour. Don't want to get too cold, but yeah, today I'm going to talk about a film recipe that I've been using. It has a super nice look. I think you guys are going to like it. You can use this recipe with whatever Fujifilm camera you have that has classic chrome. I'll put the recipe in the description and on the screen right now. Go ahead, add this to your camera. Using an older Fujifilm camera, this is on the XE2S, but this film recipe will work with whatever camera you have. It lacks some of the features of the newer camera, but this is a good base film recipe for you guys to get started. So yeah, I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna do a little BTS video and then show you the photo examples. Let me show you guys quickly what setup I'm using. This is my beloved Fujifilm XE2S. I absolutely love this camera. It's a little bit old school, it came out in 2016, so it's a bit dated now, but it doesn't matter. I'm trying to replicate that film look, so older gear is great too. For the lenses that I'm using today, I have the 7 Artisans 25mm f1.8 lens. This is a manual lens. It's a little bit finicky. You have to be really careful with trying to get your focus. The focus ring just moves too easily, so sometimes you have your focus locked in and then you slightly bump it and it goes out. But this is a cheap lens. I got it secondhand on Facebook Marketplace for 50 Canadian dollars. You can find them on Amazon though for around $100. Okay guys, so I'm about to head out. Let me know what you think of this film recipe in the comment section below. Feel free to comment any film recipes that you like to use as well. All right guys, let's go get it.